This is a demonstration of a Dead True centerless grinding machine. It has a Dead True centerless grinding unit mounted on top. This is a model PGF, and I believe that this is a plunge grinding model. In other words, it's made to do plunge grinding as opposed to through feed grinding. So we have a Accurite Quick Count 2 DRO that reads the elevation, which is adjusted by hand on the machine, and by the cross feed, which is also hand. The machine is set up all by hand, and then there's an automatic cycle, which I'll demonstrate quickly. What you're going to see is the carriage is going to move toward the grinding wheel from the left side, and it's going to come to a point. If you adjust, you set this up with these stops, it's going to come to a point and start to go at a feed rate that you can control. And once it gets to a stop, it's going to stay there for a spark out or dwell time until the part is completed, and then it retracts. So just to show a quick cycle. Now it's feeding in, and the wheel also came on, the regulating wheel, which you can control that speed also from the front panel. So that's the whole cycle. We'll look down here, we'll go over this. This is the speed of the table, and this is the dwell time that it will stay under the wheel, or in the final position. And this is the speed of the regulating wheel. You have your automatic cycle on. You can set the machine up to feed either from the right side or from the left side. What this is actually doing right now, moving in this direction, is considered from the right side according to the switch. The regulating wheel could be slowed down. Let's get it in there again. I'll increase the time for the dwell so it stays there longer. And you see you can control the speed of the regulating wheel for dressing and for grinding. And also the length of time that the part stays in the spark out position. Like I said, the cross feed movement is, you position this machine by hand, and you position your, the idea is to bring the work wheel down to the right dimensions, the right height, so that when you go in here and it starts moving at this slow feed rate, it's actually grinding right now, not too aggressively, and staying here and sparking out at this point up against the work rest blade. And that's the whole principle. There's some pieces of tooling here that can be mounted on here to assist in holding the workpiece. I'm not personally sure how it all gets set up, but there's a lot of information about the machine out there, as well as the manufacturer. So that's about it. It's basically a hand-operated machine with an automatic cycle. Once everything is set up, you can make parts all day long. If you need to make a slight adjustment in size, you probably just come down a little bit with the grinding wheel. And that's it.